Determine the position vector of the midpoints of the vector joining the points P and Q. Okay, let us begin. So here we have 2 points. We have the point P. It has the coordinates 2, -3, 4. And we have the other point Q. Q has the coordinates 4, 1, -2. Now let's join P and Q with the help of a straight line. We're going to consider a vector going from P to Q. Now next, we're going to consider another point lying between P and Q. Let's call it the point R, such that R divides PQ in the ratio 1:1. In other sense, we are saying that R is the midpoint of PQ. Now what we'll do, we'll consider another point O. O is going to be the origin of the coordinate system. Then, with respect to this origin O, we can define the position vector of P and Q. All we have to do is join O and P with the help of a directed line segment going from O to P. Similarly, we'll join O and Q with another directed line segment going from O to Q. Our goal will be to determine the position vector of the point R. So here also what we'll do, we'll join O and R with the help of a directed line segment. So let's do one thing. Let's define the position vector of point P and point Q. So position vector of point P is going to be defined by, we have 2 times I cap minus 3 times j cap plus 4 times k cap. And we have the position vector of point Q, so that's going to be 4 times I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Now that we have position vector of point P and Q, we can define the position vector of point R, which is going to be the midpoint of P and Q. That's defined by using the internal section formula. We have 1 multiplied to OQ vector. So here OQ is going to be the position vector of point Q added to 1 multiplied to the position vector of point P. So that will be OP vector divided by 1 plus 1. Now let's use the value. The OQ vector, that's going to be 4I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap added to, we have OP vector, so that's 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap whole divided by 2. That is going to give us, we have 4I cap plus 2I cap, that's 6I cap, j cap minus 3j cap, that's -2j cap, then -2k cap plus 4k cap, that's +2k cap whole divided by 2. You can factor out the 2 from each of the terms. So we have 3I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So this is going to be the position vector of the point R, which is the midpoint of the line joining P and Q.